Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara. You guys, so today I am unboxing this storage. It's almost like a storage closet, but it's small. It's smaller. So you guys, this is a breathable, non-woven durable material made, and it's also perfect for storing different household items. Also, it can be used to store shoes on either side. It is said that it is a heavy-duty steel frame and also has a dimension of 60 inches wide by 19 inches in diameter, as well as 63 inches in height. However, you guys, I noticed that even though it says heavy duty steel frame, the steel frames are very flimsy, you guys. They are not heavy duty, so if you're getting something like this, it's not for hanging very heavy clothes like lots of jeans and things like that. You may want to just hang linen type shirts or blouse, or very light dresses. It's not something to hang very heavy things like coats and things like that, because for my coats, I realized when I started hanging jeans and coats and things like that, it started to sink in the top. So I would suggest you try not to hang coats or anything like that if you should get this type of storage. As I said, it's not something that I wanted for a long-term period. Currently my closet is under renovation, so I decided to get something that is temporary to store some of my clothes, you guys, because honestly this can't store all my clothes. So I'm currently partially living out of a suitcase as well, suitcases. You guys, so that's why I got this. So if you have just simple things that you want to store, The bottom is I think it's really sturdy in the bottom. It's just the part to hang the hanging racks. It's not as durable as I would expect it to be. I'm really thinking about the other ones that I have seen. So if this doesn't get me into December, I'm thinking that I may have to get one of the other ones. And if I do, I will give you an update as to how long this lasts for, because I don't know how much more I can hang in there. Because honestly, it's a lot of clothes. And so I'm not sure how much more it can hold right now. So I may have to upsize and upgrade until my closet is completed, you guys. But however, it's not too bad so far with what I've been able to store in it. So in the bottom here where you see I am putting the storage bins, I have also stored like my handbags and my small pouches and just other types of bags that you get at the, you know, like your Ralph Lauren bags that you get at the stores that you purchase things. I do have a bit of those type of bags with stuff, you guys, in them, so I decided to store those in the bottom as well. So it's not bad for those type of things. The bottom base of it can hold quite a few things, and the sides are good as well for shoes and things like that. But otherwise, I need something that has thicker rods and irons to hold it up, because I think the problem is that it has rods and iron, but the frame to hold the rods and irons are plastic, and because of that you find that hanging heavy duty jeans and coats and sweaters or sweat tops on those will have the top plunging into a U shape, having too many things hanging there that is very heavy. And that's a problem with this storage unit. It's not for heavy duty things. So you see guys, for my jackets and things, I had to put those down in the bottom in like my duffel bags and so on, because they are just too heavy. And the storage bins, as I said, I use those for like heavy pants and so on. I've utilized the sides for some of the more heavier type jackets, because to be honest, they cannot be hung. So like for the heavier jackets, you guys, those were not able to make it to the rack, because as you can see, it's already plunging into an abyss, and that's a problem. I have too many coats, so I'm still living out of suitcases because of that. So until my closet has been fully renovated, yeah, I'm just gonna have to work with this, because currently I have no hanging space in my closet because we took those all out to get the closet renovated. Well, I need a bigger closet, just put it that way. Until then, this is it, and this is just some duffel bag and suitcases, you guys. Well, this is my life for now. Until then.